We would be nothing without the team. It would be just a bunch of guys with some ideas. Everybody's doing this because they love it. Nobody's doing this because it's a job. What sets us apart is pushing the envelope. The drive to do something, obviously, that's different and better than anybody else. We don't really want to just build another widget or another chassis. It needs to be a better chassis than what's available on the market, or a better solution than what's on the market. So we brought in machine shop, we brought in in-house design staff, in-house engineers, with the integration of laser, 3D printing, and rapid prototyping in-house, body shop, paint shop. Pretty much every single thing that we do from the chassis side of things and the car build side of things is done in-house. It just makes common sense. I mean, we're asking the customers to purchase our elevated product because we're the best in the industry. Why would we develop or build that product with subpar equipment or materials?
You know, when you get a good team together, you can really start pushing chassis and stuff out the door really quick. And the quality that we're putting out here is top notch.
You know, it's constant problem solving, and having someone by your side is always an advantage to you.
The people here are next level fabricators, and it always makes me push myself to be better, seeing some of the stuff that comes out of here.
That mentality of doing something that's better, that goes to the chassis builders, to the frame rail fabricators, final assembly guys. Everybody's competing. They're competing against the guy that's next to them. They're competing against the guy that's across the hall from them, and they all want to be the best. When people think of the Roadster Shop, we want them to think the best. The best quality, the best manufacturing, the best facility, the best product, just the best.